Hello guys, we discussed in previous video module 8 of the part 2, and in this video we will discuss about module 9 and part 1 sections. Module 9, video conference and voice communications. Part 1, video conference via laptop communications. Section 1, about laptop video conference overview. Section 2, flowchart of laptop interview communications. Section 3, explanation of flowchart on laptop video conference. So in this video, we will cover the module 9, part 1, section 1, section 2, and section 3. Now we will move to next slide. Module 9, video conference and voice communication, part 1, video conference via laptop communications, section 1, about laptop video conference overviews. So section 1 is all about the candidate will face the interview with a laptop video conference. In the interview panel, the interviewer will expect the well-maintained laptop without any issues with audio, video, and sharing of the document and chat box enabled in the video meeting conference interview call. The candidate will be connecting the headphone for the better sound transfer communication with the employer or employee interview panel. The candidate will get an invitation from the employer for the video conference. The candidate should accept the meeting to show interest in the position of the job. The candidate should attend the interview 5 to 10 minutes early to make a note to prepare to attend the interview. So section 1 is talking all about the setup and configuration of the laptop in the well-maintained way, like audio, video, sharing, and chat box. Everything should be enabled and working condition, because whenever the interviewer will tell to share some file or uh, type some code or share your thoughts in the notepad or in the chat box, easily it will be transferred with the video conference. And even though you are attending the video conference by the laptop, the candidate should attend the interview before 5-10 minutes earlier to make discipline that you are very much interested for this job profile. So we'll move to the next slide. Chart section 2, flowchart of laptop interview communications. So candidate first is attending the interview with the laptop, and in the laptop the configuration should be for these 5 categories: working video, working sharing desktop, working chat box, working icon for reply, reaction, working audio. All these features should be enabled with the laptop while video conference. So working video in the sense of camera of the laptop should be working condition. Working sharing desktop means it will be some third party like a Zoom or Google Meet, and MS Team will have the facility to share your screen so that the interviewer can look into that your laptop screen on the live or on the spot of the interview, or he can take the control of your laptop and he can give some task, or he can give some program to write it in your laptop. Working chat box, it should be enabled, and while he can pass a message, he can pass in some link which will be opened in the browser, and other working icon for reply reactions. It means that once they are sharing some uh, link or any kind of important informations, the reaction should be replied with the thumb or well done, like a kind of icon. Working audio and audio also, the laptop should be working condition, better to connect it with the headphone in while attending the interview video conference. And the right side we see the interview panel, the candidate left side, the right side interview panel, and middle is the laptop which exchanging the information between the candidate and the interview panel, and from the interview panel to the candidate. Now we'll move to the next slide. Section 3, explanation of flowchart on laptop video conference. The candidate first will attend the interview with the laptop. The candidate will verify everything is working fine condition, like video, sharing desktop, chat box, the icon for reply reactions, and audio. The candidate should be ready with connecting to the headphone and will be waiting for the interviewer to join the meeting. The laptop condition should not be hung out or restart the laptop automatically. There should not be any technical issue in the laptop to make meeting disturbance. So session 3 also is talking about the laptop configuration setup in the well and conditions, so that the exchange of the interview informations can be passed through the laptop. So now we'll move to the next slide. So we have covered and completed the module 9 of part 1, and we have learned the module 9 video conference and voice communications. We have learned part 1 video conference via laptop communication. We have covered the section 1 about laptop video conference overviews. We have completed section 2 flowchart of laptop interview communications. We have completed section 3 explanation of flowchart on laptop video conference. So in this video, we have covered the module 9, part 1, section 1, section 2, and section 3. And in the next video, we'll look into that module 9 of the part 2. Thank you.